How's it, everybody? It's so good to see all of you again.
So today we'll be cycling 26 miles into London, and to add some spice into the mix, we have to be there and at the train station before rush hour because we're not allowed to take bikes onto the subway whilst it's rush hour time, which is between 5 and 7. So we have like roughly around 5 hours to do all of it, to do some nice sightseeing. And it kind of feels like we have put ourselves into positions like this previously.
We are Sarah and Marek. A couple months ago, we decided to start our YouTube channel, and it's been a whirlwind of an adventure so far. We've been traveling through our home country South Africa for the past few months, and now we're on to our first international adventure, which takes us to the UK. Subscribe and come along for our budget adventures.
So we are currently cycling along the canal. You actually do quite a lot of miles along the canal, and then at some point we'll turn off to go in towards London. But as we go along here, there's just houseboats all the way along, and that's boats that people literally live on or use as holiday homes and literally just travel around on the canals in their houses, in their houseboats. Very cool. Yeah, so there's a nice path along the side of the canals that we're using to cycle along. Correct me if I'm wrong. Well, you can't correct me. I think they were used for barges, something like that, to pull along the side. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. The weather is stunning, and we are just being treated to a beautifully scenic cycle. So we've just stopped for a break and like a little sit down. We've done more than like 16 kilometers already. I don't know how many miles that is. About 10 miles, a bit over 10 miles. And I'm just looking at my backpack. Look at all that mud. I don't know if you can see it. The footpath that we've been cycling on is super duper muddy because it's been a bit rainy, so there's just mud flying everywhere, but we're still having fun.
It's actually, and I got it wrong in the beginning, it's actually 29 miles. So that adds actually 4.8 k's onto this loop. And just to give you guys a bit of an explanation, the reason why we have to do it, we have to finish before 5, is because you're not allowed to put your bikes onto the trains during rush hour. So rush hour is from 5 to 7, so we have to be on the train before 5. So if you don't make it in time, we'll just have to cycle all the way back again in the dark.
No.
in this wind. But as you can see, the sun's actually going down, and that only means one thing. We're running a bit late for the train. We've still got 11 miles, so we got, what is that, just over 16 k's, and 18 k's to make it to the train. And we've only got a little bit of time left to make it there. So it really does feel like we put ourselves in these difficult situations. But yeah, let's carry on pushing and hope we make it there in time.
So we've actually had a bit of trouble today. We've come into quite a few closed paths, and then it's a bit of a mission because we're not comfortable in this area, as in like we just don't know where we are. So then we have to try and go up out onto the road and figure out a way how to get back down to the canal. So we'll have to do that again. Update, we didn't make it. So we thought we made it just in time, but we weren't aware that the rush hour is actually technically from 4 to 7. We thought it was from 5 to 7. So we thought we got there just in time, and we managed to get all the way down to the platform for our train, and then we got chased out of the station. So after a long, hard day of cycling, our spirits were pretty much crushed when we got chased out of there, but we bought ourselves some food. Ooh, yes, some warm noodles. Yum.
Yes, some things could definitely be much worse. We even got ourselves a little bit of a chocolate milkshake.
Milk, some chocolate muffins
muffins
to
well.
Lift our spirits a little bit.
But we really did enjoy it. We feel like we're getting good at doing this to ourselves now, but we actually really enjoyed it. It took us through quite a big part of this region, so we actually really enjoyed it.
It was so beautiful as well, like really. And we can't complain. At least we've got a nice comfy spot to sit. We've got heating, so it could be worse.
So thank you so much for joining us for this week, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys back again next week Friday.